Welcome back to the Fairbanks Evening News. Mike Schultz with you once again, taking a look at the weather. Another hot day across the interior, but there is some relief coming our direction in the form of showers or even some thunderstorms starting tomorrow. They'll be very widely scattered, but hopefully you'll get a little shower in the area you're at and it'll cool things down. A great photograph tonight, another nature photograph. This one's sent in by Joyce Elmore, north of Healy. She calls it Mama and the Kids. You can see why. Look at Mama walking with her two little ones behind her. Again, if you have a photograph to share, send it to Mike Schultz at KTVF11.com. Here's our temperatures. The normal high 72, our high today 86 degrees. The normal low 50 degrees, and we were in the mid to upper 50s last night. Record high 91 in 1937, 35 in 1960, and our sunrise and sunset works out to 21 hours and 49 minutes as we approach the longest day of the year, gaining 30 seconds from yesterday. Here's our satellite picture today. One area of low pressure moving across the southern sections of Alaska. This one here, we got to keep an eye on. It's got a lot of moisture with it, and that could bring some moisture into the interior, and that combined with our daytime heating give us a chance of some showers or thunderstorm activity. What's going on across the rest of the state? Well, cloudy skies over southeast Alaska, Juneau, and Ketchikan. Not nearly as warm as it was in Anchorage yesterday. 87 yesterday, 78 today. 84 at Fort Yukon, nice day there. We're really hot in Nome, 86 degrees there. Lower 48 weather, hot temperatures to talk about there also. 94 at Denver, 106 degrees at Phoenix. Showers and thunderstorms over the southern plains, stretching right across the Gulf of Mexico. And severe thunderstorms expected tomorrow with a big system that's moving in from the Canadian area. It'll bring hail, gusts, 60-mile-an-hour winds, and tornado threats, and it's all because of this system here that's expected to continue trucking on down and across the Rockies, bringing with it widespread thunderstorm activity. That white area at the end, there's just a little bit of a satellite problem. As you can see here, we're getting some storms developing across parts of Texas. It's all being brought in by the jet stream, which is changing its configuration for the weekend, taking a big dive down to the south. That's why they're expecting severe weather, and then a lot of hot, humid air coming up from the south across the rest of the country. Back to Alaska for tomorrow. In the northern sections, partly cloudy at Barrow, mostly sunny skies for Nome, and isolated thunderstorms in the Fort Yukon area. Here in the interior, once again looking at sunny skies early, then a chance of some isolated thunderstorm activity popping up, 85 in Fairbanks. Over southeast Alaska, cloudy and showers at Ketchikan, partly cloudy skies for Juneau, while out to the southwest, a mixed bag of weather there. Also rain showers at Bethel and Cold Bay, but just cloudy skies in Kodiak. And over the south central sections, looking at nice weather for Anchorage and Homer, I should say Anchorage and Valdez, but maybe some isolated showers for the Homer area. All right, our forecast for tonight, as you can see, the overnight low, once again, 57 degrees, partly cloudy, not as warm as last night. Tomorrow's forecast, still a hot day, but like I said, sunny early, then isolated showers or thunderstorms are possible. And the extended forecast calling for temperatures cooling down a little bit for the weekend, down to around 80 degrees. But again, we'll have a possibility of those isolated showers or thunderstorms each day, which will help cool things down. And overnight lows also cooling down a little bit to right around the 55 to 58 degree mark. But it looks good for all the three activities going on, for the baseball game, for the midnight sun run, and for the street fair this weekend.
Yeah. Rain for the sun run?
Off and on.
Okay, so bring your umbrellas.
Just to be safe. We'll know more tomorrow.
Great.
And Friday.
If Mother Nature doesn't throw us a curveball.
That's right.